baby. Part 4. First, get the... Jimmy, don't be noisy or a lot.
Okay. You need to... Wait, guys, this is so funny. When I remove the feet... Okay, I'm removing this. Okay. And after that, you're gonna put a...
Jimmy, this is not how you make the baby.
Wait a minute.
Jimmy, this is not...
Wait,
Jimmy, don't...
This is the dad.
This is not how you make a baby. Never mind. Jimmy, just leave. Okay.
Oh no!
Why do you act like that? I'm making a baby.
This is not how you...
Hey, yo, Jimmy, what did you do? Put it back. Jimmy, put it back. Wrong to it.
You mean this, guys?
Yeah, this one.
It's a baby.
Now you put the impurity. You need to put the impurity. Okay, now you put the Jimmy, now look at the clothes. Now you need to put this and this and this.
Oh my gosh. It's sliding. Look, guys, what is this? Wheel.
And this and this and this the bunny shirt and where's the baby and this and this.
Okay,
Wait. And now this.
After that, now let's put a...
No, it's ugly, Jimmy.
a pangit.
Okay, sorry. Now you have baby Go Go Gaga. Like it's okay.